Ready to make a movie?
No. The Beach Twin.
Look at that. Shout out to my guy Jerry. That's my guy Jerry, M340. Callus down pipe. Put the link down below. Dining exhaust. See if you guys can see. Ooh, look at that bad boy right there. Look at your boy rocking the cracks. I finally joined the gang. This dude Felipe put me on. These ones a little different though. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah, these things is mad comfortable and it's mad hot. Look at your boy. Look at your boy. They be saying I've been losing a little bit of weight. Let me say that a little bit. What you think? I don't know. A little something, right? I don't know. You ready? Yeah. Shout out to my guy Lionel too. He got the Subaru. That's the reliable car. That's the reliable one. Until you start making some power, it's kapoof like the rest of them. Sheesh. Looking good, man. Looking good. I can't wait to
so you can take you the pictures of the power side.
Word, right? I gotta take pictures of how I'm showing them my good side. I don't know. I still haven't even figured out what I want to do. If I want to wrap it or like paint it. I'm thinking about just painting it and keeping it silver. I don't know. Check this out, right? I call this my iPhone / Bondo detector. What you guys think about the case? Shout out to the guys over at Rockform though for sending this thing out for me. We're gonna be doing some tests because
shout out to the guys at Rockform because I'm definitely gonna rock this case.
Send me another one. Yo, we was actually thinking about getting rollers with this thing. So boom, here's how it's gonna work. Boom, slap it right here. We're gonna turn on the camera. Check me out. This is how we're gonna start to get rollers for my car now. See? Look at that, look at that. Yo, you know mad people that accidentally leave the phone on the car, on the top of the car?
As I'm driving, I'm gonna be holding it scared, but I'm gonna trust it because we've been doing some tests.
No, but it's crazy. Like you can. How you doing?
Y'all having too much fun.
Yeah. But look at this. Boom. That way, when you do all your hezzy cuts and everything, you get out the car, it's still right there. And you know what's funny? Rockform didn't even ask me for a video. I just found out this case was super cool, and I was like, yo, I gotta show the people.
So my soda on top would be good.
This damn key. I changed the battery, but it's like. Whew. Want that AC? We made it all the way from New York to Ocean City, no hiccups, until I got like, what was it, like 20 minutes away, 30 minutes away. And this Audi S3, whoever you were on the coastal highway, I think it was Route 1, he came up on me with a little bit of aggression. So I downshifted a little bit, and I heard a pop sound, like some kind of backfire, and I was greeted with a check engine light. I don't know, I think it could be a fueling thing. Listen, I'm human, you know? I do human stuff. I'm not perfect, even though I have a YouTube channel, which everybody thinks that.
But that's what we call it?
Human? Yeah, I'm human. Nah, I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm an idiot. Straight up, right?
There we go.
So,
respectfully,
this car has upgrade 19T turbos, but it's on an MHD stock turbo map. So that could be the problem too, up top. I didn't really beat on it until, you know, I got down here and challenged that Audi, or the Audi challenged me, so it could be what it is. I know Index 8, 12, all this extra injectors I gotta get soon. I don't know what this car has, you know, all I know is the good, don't really know the bad. So what I was thinking, we're gonna run an AutoZone and see what this check engine light is about, because I brought no tools. You know, see if it's bad, if it's something just 'cause I did a quick pull or whatever, maybe ran out of fuel or something. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. The route I wanna go with this car would be manual trans, Ford 8.8 rear. I don't know if I'm gonna be building a motor in the front. Definitely single turbo, stuff like that. And the Ford 8.8 rear is like $4 grand alone. Manual swap is like 1,500. So like this is gonna be a long-term build if I do plan on keeping it. It'll be more so for me than you guys, but I think you guys will enjoy it at the same time. Already got this car for a steal. Already also dropped like $2,500 in it with the bodywork and all the parts. So I think in the whole I'm about somewhere close to $3 grand in the hole as far as repairing the car back up. I'll break down the cost video for you guys. But
it's not bad for the...
It ain't bad for the car being operable straight, and it just made me in Maryland, you know?
Yeah.
That's how I drive from now on. Yo, that's how you know the alignment is good though. That's how you know the alignment. The alignment is good. Like I had two Jamaican guns in the air, nigga. Yeah, I'll run a little bit, but you know. Woo! Oh, here's the key. I'll put the key in for you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me get this thing plugged in before you turn her on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's right here. It's
Where is it?
right here. Oh, okay.
I'll let you put that back together.
Yeah, I'll grab the keys. Let's see what she is. System 2 lean, bank 1. We come to the determination that I do not need to go and boost without a proper tune.
Yeah.
That's probably what it was, yo. It's probably exactly what it was. I tried to boost in it, and the car.
Who would have thought?
I just literally. I wish I would have got it on camera, but I literally just sent her for like maybe 2 gears. I ain't going front, bro. I wouldn't mind living out here, like building car wise. See, like this is nothing. This is good. This ain't gonna blow nothing up. It's when I was close to red, like literally.
Oh, there's another one.
He challenged me. Oh yeah, Advanced Autos. He challenged me and I sent her, bud.
You forgot which car you was in.
No, I knew what car I was in. I just forgot that I shouldn't have did that. When I get the wheels and the tune and everything, she's gonna really rip.
She a ripper now.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I don't even know whose Bronco this is. This is a car that I like. I really like this car. Like, I don't know. I bounce back between the old Broncos and just like the new ones. This ain't the baby Bronco. It's not that little sport that everybody like gets it confused by. This is the big dog daddy Bronco. Believe it or not, this thing can cost you the same price as my M4, which is so crazy. I don't know. You guys would never watch this if I get it, but it's one of those cars that if I got a ton of money, I'm just buying just because. But it's a new day, and whew, yeah, that thing's squeaking over there. Got the 335 out. Let's see if it. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with this key, man. I swapped the battery, and the comfort access barely works, and then the button barely works too. So I don't know. I'll look online, maybe replace the key thing. But here she blows. Check it out. Check it out. Got to do something about this. I really do. And gotta fix this. Hopefully we can heat that up and like remold it or something. But the wheels are here today. I gotta go pick them up from the office, so we're gonna hitch a ride and then we're gonna go get the wheels, because I ain't gonna lie to you, I should never driven on this wheel right here. And this wheel is just, I mean, totally different. You can tell the rolling diameter is different too. You get to a certain speed and a certain gear, you can see the traction control light come on. I'm assuming because this is just different. It just, the car tricks and thinks it's spinning when it's not. Come on! Come on! Let's go! She's so scared. She hates all my cars. No, why did I turn it on? Bruh, low coolant. Yo, this car is magnificently annoying. I swear to you. This thing drinks everything. These are definitely the things about my 435 that I didn't like. I'll upgrade the turbos, we'll see though. I'm not gonna do it. Trust me, the car is not deadly. It's not set up for that.
Trust you. My mother's on the phone.
Hello?
It's her.
Hey, Pat Grandma.
Go straight across.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. Your daughter over here is scared for nothing. Straight across.
Into the other parking lot.
No, I just want you to ride in all my cars. You got to drive in all of them. The good, the bad, the ugly.
Don't
I'm not. I'm not good. Yo, oh my God, you worse than me as a passenger.
No, I don't trust you.
Plus, you gotta think about it. I don't want the wheel to crack. Think about it. I made it all the way here.
The wheel is already cracked.
I know, and I made it over here like that
But
because I
yeah.
didn't drive like an idiot.
Yeah, but this is like, oh, my other tires are here, balls to the wall real quick.
No, my the wheels are here. I need these same tires.
Oh, okay.
I need them to last. If it cracks and punctures the tire, I gotta go buy another tire. I don't want to do that.
Okay, good. Woo.
I keep forgetting the key in this thing.
You know, seatbelt wearing from me and any of
Man, nobody ain't stealing this car. Should I unbox it right here? No.
No.
This is a perfect spot to unbox.
Okay, then unbox it.
As a matter of fact, I'll unbox it outside to show you my back technique that I use.
All right, pull your pants up, duck butt, legs. Woo!
Yeah,
All right.
Uh-huh. Yep. It's all downhill from there.
I should press the button
This is
for
the
you.
view the ladies click for, you know?
Shut the hell up.
Oh, 2% of the women. This is what they click. Hold on one second. Hold on. I got a slow mo it. Oh, yeah.
Boom chicka wow wow. Boom chicka wow wow.
You just like working. Why are you walking slow?
I had to give him the full effect.
Now watch my look. It'd be upside down. It's just my look. Are you ready for the grand opening? Can
I
you see
am.
me?
I can see you.
All right, hold on one second. Hold up.
All right.
Step back now. Step back now.
I'm stepping back.
All right. You like it?
Look like it's covered with plastic.
Yo, my life. Voila. Everybody tag ESR in this because I think I'm the first person with the ESR CR1s on the E92. I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be 100% wrong. Ooh, that thing looking sexy. Yo, this is a nice setup. And these are probably the cheapest ones you can get. 222 bucks. Fitment is perfect too. Fitment is perfect. These are 19 by 9 for the front and the back. Offset plus 32. 5 by 120, and the other thing, the diameter or the hub is 72.56. 235/35 in the front, 265/35 in the back, and that back looks like a race car tire, boy. Look how it's tucking. Whew. That thing looks race car tuck. I tend to like to run 9-inch. And the reason I like to do that is because the look that it gives. You know that stance I'm talking about? The front tire looks a little bit stretched and then the back tire just looks fat. You know what I mean? If I had 10.5 and all of this stuff, I had to play with the offsets, yeah, to get it looking nice and fit. But then you get that stretched look. And I don't want that stretched look in the back. I always want that meaty look, that meaty persona in the back. 235. 265. However, you can see what I'm talking about. This has not really a stretch look, so it might be an 8.5. And this has the same type of look as the front. So I could assume this being an 8.5 and this being like a 9.5 or like a 10. Whereas you see, it doesn't give those race vibes. Comment below what you guys like. I'm gonna clean these ones up so you guys can get a perspective on which one you like better. For those of you who've been watching this long on the end of the video, thank you guys for tuning in. Tell me what you guys think about the wheels. And yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. Mike from So Speed. Peace out.